Hello everyone, welcome to FENTL. My name is Raj and in today's video we are going to learn a famous dance step, that is MoonWalk. When we hear MoonWalk, all of us remember Michael Jackson because he made it popular. But MoonWalk is there from a long time, even before Michael Jackson. But when Michael Jackson performed it for a television show in 1983, it became worldwide famous. Earlier, this step is called by different names. But after the television show, when interviewer asked Michael Jackson the name of the step, he called it MoonWalk. He even named his autobiography as MoonWalk. As I said earlier, this channel is not just about fitness. We are covering different kinds of lifestyle, travel and entertainment videos in this, and today we are going to learn a dance move. MoonWalk is a sliding dance move. It just contains two major steps. First one, switch. Stand straight and keep your legs together. And then you can raise the heel of one leg and then switch the legs alternately. So the next step is slide. To do this, go to the start position, keep your one heel up and then slide with the other leg. Practice this step more because slide is the most important part of the moonwalk. Slide as if you are pushing yourself back with the other leg. Once you are comfortable with the slide, try the same with the other leg. Make sure you are wearing shoes with less grip and you have a floor that is smooth. Once you are okay with slide, now we are going to try slide and switch. Moonwalk is nothing but the repetition of slide and switch. Make sure you won't create much pressure on your sliding leg because it will create more friction and slide won't be smooth. Now try the same with the other leg. Slide and switch. The smoother your slide, the more effective your moonwalk will be. Once you are comfortable with slide and switch, we are going to add these both steps and repeat the same to complete the moonwalk. So go to the start position, keep your one heel up and then slide, switch, slide, switch, slide, switch. Keep practicing the same until you are comfortable repeating both slide and switch multiple times. Try doing the steps slowly until you are comfortable. Once you are comfortable, you can increase the speed and then you can make a perfect moonwalk. Once you are comfortable with the leg movement, you can add a bit of flavor by moving your shoulders or keeping your hand position as if you are holding your belt buckle. I hope you like this video. It is a very simple step. All you need is more and more practice. Keep practicing and let me know if you are able to do it in the comment section. We will be coming with many more interesting videos ahead. So subscribe to this channel and see you in the next video.